Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today Brooklyn is eating my Walmart beauty box. This is the winter Walmart beauty box. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So it comes with this little product guide here. You do not get all these products. This box is about $7 and some change. So it's relatively inexpensive and it comes out quarterly. So it comes out every 3 months. Or seasonally, if you want to call it seasonally. So here I got a palette. I think this is the first time I actually got a little palette from Walmart. This is the Profusion Cosmetics Holiday 2021. So this is really cute. I haven't gotten any kind of a palette from Walmart before, so that's nice. Brooklyn's eating the box. And then I got this, okay, this is good. You know, I did see somebody open this. Come to think of it, I already watched somebody open it. Darn it, now I'm not surprised. This is Sukin right here, and it is just a face mist, hydrating mist toner. So I'm happy with that. Who did I see open this? Grandma Bev, maybe? I'm not sure. Here is a line smoothing serum cream, retinol berry, right here from Garnier. It's just a little foil packet. I hate foil packets, but it's all right. It's not usual for Walmart to give all foil packets, so that's good. And this is Dove Care Between Washes Go Active Dry Conditioner. So this is dry conditioner. I don't really know like the difference between a dry conditioner and the dry shampoo. I mean, doesn't it all kind of work the same? I don't know. Then I got an eyeliner. I think this is an eyeliner or a lip liner. Let me see if I could read it. Of course I cannot. I did get new contacts, blue ones, but they're not my prescription yet. These are just trials. So still waiting for my prescription to come in. So right now I still can't read anything. So this is either a lip liner or this is a pencil right here. It's by Lotte, L-O-T-T-E, I believe. If I'm reading it correctly, which I'm probably not. And then we got another one of these hydration multiplier liquid IVs. I usually just throw these away. This one's strawberry flavored. I don't know, my son might be interested in trying some of these. So there's that one. And then we've got the Gold Bond Pure Moisture. I forgot I have this thing, so I could actually read what that other thing was. Was it a lip liner or just looking at it here. Doesn't even say, it just comes all by itself. Latte, it's a brow pencil. This is a brow pencil. Okay, so it's not a lip liner, it's not an eyeliner, it is a brow pencil. All right, so they also have all the prices of everything in here, but I'm not going to go over those because I already missed half the box. I'm down, well, more than half. I'm down to my last product, and Brooklyn's over here eating this Walmart box, so I've got to like kind of go quickly. This is the Gold Bond. It says Daily Body and Face Lotion. So, Gold Bond is a good name. So, I think that's it. That palette was nice to get, though. I don't think I saw whoever I watched. I don't remember. It was Grandma Bev. I'm not sure, but Brooklyn. But I don't think they got the palette because I don't remember seeing the palette on there. But maybe they did. I just missed it. But yeah, I got a little palette. I'm excited about that. But that was my, what is it? Christmas, I want to say winter. Winter is the word I'm looking for. My winter Walmart box. So it was kind of a train wreck, this video, because Brooklyn's sitting here and she's just like, she was just eating the box like crazy right here. And I couldn't concentrate. So I apologize, everyone. Anyway, have a great day. Please comment down below. Also, if you can, please like this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.